everyone. Exactly 1 month later, I gotta be careful with this hand. I finally got my package. It smells good. Oh wow. Oh man, did anything break? The eyeshadows, ow, 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 my hand. The eyeshadows fell out. Look, the eyeshadows were like moving around. Thank goodness they didn't break. Yeah, found one eyeshadow here and one eyeshadow underneath the bag. And you got the lip glosses and lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, the two brushes with the glitter, and oh yeah, my hand hurts. Wow, look at that. Oh wow. That is so pretty. Got scared when I didn't see the eyeshadows there. Okay, let me gently turn the bag around. Finally, exactly a month later. This is crazy. Comes with that foam to protect everything. I was using it yesterday since I had just gotten it and I was exhaustified. So this is cool because it tells you the colors in the back, but to be honest, I don't really care about that. As long as the eyeshadow has good pigmentation, that is all I care about. As long as they work and they're pretty. So that was My Melody. So this is the Kuromi palette. I remember my oldest daughter liked sanrio. So I didn't even really know who these people are. I just remember Hello Kitty and a frog. So yeah, I like these colors better. Again, with the names in the back. And I already used this yesterday. So you got the warmer color, the pinker colors on top, and the purpley colors on the bottom. And on the back it tells you the name. My son is greeting my dogs. And as I showed you yesterday, it's got the glitters in it. So this is the blush end, and this is the highlight end. And then here again with the glitters, and that's the flat brush and the dome brush. So this hot pink color is called Sweetie Pie. And this pretty gloss is called Oh My. Pretty. That's very pretty. And this one is called Goth Girl. I'm looking forward to trying that one next week. Look at that gorgeousness. This one is called Little Miss Punk. So swatches are going to go on here because my hand hurts. I finally got my medication late yesterday afternoon, but again I only have 30, so I'm just taking it like when I need to do something that I know is going to be hard. So I'm going to do it. I know it's not the same as doing it on your hand because you get a better perspective on what it's going to look like on your skin tone, but I don't want to be messing with my hand. You know, the pressure and to scrub and to swatch, and so all right.